Hi, I'm Dr. Prashant Gowda, Head of the Department of Pediatrics and Neonatology at Motherhood Hospitals, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. I'm going to talk on what it's like being a parent and what it takes to be a parent, and how we all can help mutually each other to be a parent. And that's the most interesting and most beautiful part which I'm going to talk about. So when you talk about parenting or being a parent of a kid, it all starts even before the kid is born. It takes a lot of understanding and maturity to be a parent. So parenting is basically, it's a beautiful process of being a part of the nature of creating life. So it is a beautiful journey what a couple goes through uh, when they start thinking of becoming a parent. For a mother, it is a journey of her lifetime, and it's an experience of her lifetime. And as a human being, as a woman, if you experience of being a mother is something very special, very unique, and it's very priceless. And in our day-to-day practice, when we speak to the mother before delivery and when they have their baby in their hand, the way they speak, the way, the calmness, the maturity, the sense of belonging to the baby, the sense of commitment towards the baby describes all what it's being like a mother. So it's a special process, a special journey for a couple to become a parent. And when they're experiencing their life-changing and a different way of life, different commitment towards the baby, different feeling of being mother and father is what something which always makes them feel very happy about it. Parenting, as I said, it's a beautiful process of experiencing a soul developing within the mother, and experiencing the growth, experiencing how it feels like when they kick, experiencing the pain of bringing them out when they undergo a labor pain, or when they're about to deliver, and experiencing a different type of feeling once the baby is born. So parenting is basically starts right even before the baby is born, even before the soul is created, even before the conception has happened. It starts from the thought process of being a parent, and that is the beauty of being a parent. Parenting is not just parenting, and you are call someone and you give them the responsibility of feeding a kid, you give them the responsibility of giving birth. It's not about that. Parenting is a totally a different feeling, a different experience of taking responsibility on the self, and that is what the mother and the father and the couple does for their baby. So the sense of attachment, the sense of emotional connect, what mother feels and experiences throughout our 9 months of pregnancy, if the baby comes on expected date of delivery, and if baby comes out with whatever reason even before the expected date of delivery, you call it as a premature delivery or premature labor, even then the experience will be totally different. And that is a time when all our doctors skill and experience comes to play to complete their experience of a parent by helping the baby and giving them the right type of support, the right type of advice, and the right type of nurture to the baby, so that they can live peacefully and they can live to their full strength. So parenting basically has got a different experience even before the baby is born, and it has got a different experience when the baby is born, after the baby is born. Once the baby is born, there are a lot of responsibilities one need to fulfill as a parent. Parenting is not just disciplining a baby. Parenting is not just about giving them food at right time. Parenting is not just about making your kid learn certain social skills, certain social behavior. Parenting is about everything, a bit of everything. It's a combination of your social skill, what you're going to give to your kid, physical skill, your fine motor skill, your personal social skill, and how to understand and be with the nature, blend with the nature, blend with the society, and have a peaceful and socially acceptable life. So parenting involves, it's a complete dimension, complete 360 dimension of developing a human being from a tiny soul into a well mature and well grown human being. So the role of parent, even we have grown in our ages, still in our maturity, still when we stand in front of a parent, the parent look us as their small kid, and they would continue to have that sort of affection, that sort of love, that sort of commitment, and that is what we experience with our parents, and it's going to continue even with us. So as I said, parenting is something which covers the entire aspects of being a human being. So it's our responsibility to make sure that we bring the best out of every kid. And as being a parent of who have given parents given birth to their kids, or parents who have adopted, it is the responsibility of all of them who are taking care of the baby, not just the mother and father or just the guardians, or even not just within the family, even outside the family, even in the society and in orphanage, to make an effort to bring the best from every kid, because we have an option to make them good, to make them live their life with their full potential. So it is our responsibility to make sure and ensure that we give our personal best to bring the personal best of each and every kid whom we look after. Thank you.